This is my third time, and today is my first day. We are here at Train Night Market. We don't really have plans right now. We're just gonna go around the whole area. This is actually bigger than John's Fair. I cannot believe it. So we're gonna go around the whole area and try to find something nice to buy. So come and join us. Birkenstock shop. We're gonna check it out. Let's see if we can try to find some. Raggedy Ann. It brings back memories. When I was a child, we have this. It's very popular during the 1980s. So I think we're gonna buy one. So nice. Oh, say hello to my friend Christine. Say hello. Okay, let's check out how much it is, or even if it's on sale. I don't. Oh, as probably it's not for sale. Okay, I think this is a vintage dolls store, because this one is from the 1980s. If I remember my grandpa buying something like this, but in Japan. Look, it's so cute. I remember, and sometimes they have sounds. I do not know if this one has. So cute. We also have Chucky over there, and this one. Super cute. Let's go inside. Probably can buy something else. Look what I found. It's street art. So here I found street art. I don't really like street art, but this one is really interesting because it's Mickey Mouse, and it says very good coloring. I find that more shops here are vintage, so it's quite interesting for me, and somehow it's better than other night market. And I have found a very interesting cafe restaurant. This is very vintage. It's somehow very interesting because you can see lots of plants. I love plants. So this one is a go for me. We'll try it probably later if they have ice cream. Okay, so we're done now. I'm very exhausted actually, yes.
Impression of the Train Night Market?
Yes, my impression from John's Fair to this one. Actually, John's Fair is quite different because they cater more on girls' fashion. They have like romantic kind of vibes, Korean kind of fashion. However, with the Train Market, they cater to all types of people. So they have vintage wear for men and for women. They also have, I saw some romantic styles as well, but it's very different from what I saw from John's Fair. So overall, I think Train Market is much better because you can bring everyone here. Even little kids can enjoy.
Did you get something for yourself?
I did get something for myself actually. I got
What do you have?
Hold on, let me show you. As I said, they cater to everyone and they cater to my design.
Uniqlo.
It's a Uniqlo one. It's so cute. So I'm very happy right now.
Happy?
Not gonna rant, not gonna do anything, just happy and see you again tomorrow.